Hi, I am Mohammad Shahriar Mananpurita, computer science and engineering student at Daffodil International University in Dhaka, Bangladesh. I chose this field because of my deep passion for technology and problem solving, and Daffodil International University has been the perfect place to nurture this interest. The university offers a culture of innovation and collaboration that has helped me grow both academically and personally, pushing me to explore my potential and big dreams. I'm a self-motivated, quick learner who values communication and teamwork. I thrive in dynamic environments where I can contribute ideas and learn from others. My journey at DIU has been incredibly rewarding, exposing me to hands-on projects, leadership opportunities, and diverse experiences that have helped me gain confidence and develop a well-rounded skill set. In terms of technical skill, I am proficient in programming languages such as Python, C++, Java, MySQL, HTML, CSS, etc. I also have a basic knowledge of tools like Unity Development Tool and Figma. Additionally, I am multilingual, I am fluent in Bengali, and I also speak in English, Urdu, and Hindi. My enthusiasm for continuous learning has led me to earn several certifications, including the prestigious Galactic Problem Solver certificates from NASA International Space App Challenge and certification in AI, object-oriented programming, and I am also a certified AR and VR game developer. Currently, I serve as the Secretary of Research and Innovation at DIU's AR/VR and Game Development Lab. My main focus is on affordable augmented reality solutions which we are adapting specially for Bangladeshi needs. This role has been an incredible opportunity for me to dive into the emerging technologies while collaborating with talented peers. I also serve as the Secretary of Media and Communication at the same lab where I gained experience in public relations and digital outreach. Additionally, as an associate member of the Computer and Programming Club, I have organized many workshops and events which allowed me to support and inspire fellow students who share a passion for programming. Daffodil International University has been an essential part of my journey, offering not only quality education but also a supportive environment that encourages students to be leaders and innovators. Before joining DIU, I completed my higher secondary certificate at Netrokona Government College with GPA 5 and my secondary school from one of the best schools of my district, Anjuman Adarsha Government High School, with a 4.89. My academic background has provided me with a strong foundation in technology and problem solving, and DIU has equipped me with the skills I need to apply this knowledge in real-world situations. Apart from my studies, I actively involved in extracurricular activities. I have participated in math Olympiads, coding competitions, and various conferences held at DIU. I also volunteered regularly organizing community service events like food drives and clothing donation during flood, often in partnership with Bangladesh Red Crescent Society. These experiences have taught me the value of giving back and have made my life experience even more meaningful. As I look ahead, I am excited about the possibilities within the tech industries and eager to bring my skills, enthusiasm, and dedication to a professional setting. My time and at DIU has laid a strong foundation, and I am ready to take on new challenges and contribute to any team that values innovation and growth. Thank you.